No, what's wrong with you?
Card is different.
It's hot.
Don't frickin' say that.
We're having arguments in the house.
What is that?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 19.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends in time.
Okay, so today we're having a Christmas party with my Asian side of the family. Let me turn off this music so I don't get copyrighted. Okay, so this is currently the setup. Let me give you guys the rundown. So we've got a bunch of gifts that we're gonna be giving to our family that are under the tree right now. Or actually, never mind, they're right here on the fireplace. We've got Christmas music playing. Catherine was doing the puzzle like 5 minutes ago. This is our new puzzle that we're doing. We have the table set up for dinner tonight. It's really cute. I'm so excited. And currently, while my dad is making steaks outside, I'm making a cup of tea. So the tea that I'm using is this holiday chai. Amazon Prime sent this cup as well as the tea to me. So I wanted to try it out because it looks really good. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a bunch of games tonight, and so my mom needs me to write on these 4 bags for one of the games. I don't even know the games yet, but apparently they're supposed to be really fun. So, got a Sharpie. Yum.
That is peppermint chocolate chip.
Guys, this is my aunt. She's been on the vlog before.
Oh, we are allocating the presents and giving everyone seats.
Devin, do you want to say anything to the vlog?
Oh, wait,
This is my cousin, Brendan. There's my uncle.
So what? Do I open first?
Look at his shiny forehead.
Come here.
Grandpa! I hope it's worth it. I'm getting old, you know.
Babushka.
You use vlog?
Oh my goodness, thank you. 4 roses, small batch. Ooh, we should open now. Oh, bourbon. I thought I saw this before. I don't know, I thought I saw this.
What is that?
It's an electric bag.
What? Maybe a gift.
Underwear.
Maybe a cap
Oh,
for your head.
oh nice.
I knew it.
Oh,
I knew
yeah.
it.
Oh, yeah.
No more fun.
Nice.
That's for me and Devin.
Oh yeah. Give me a cigar, that'd be perfect.
Why are you still vlogging that? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Mmm. Bambi.
This is...
I don't. What is it?
Put on your head?
Where's the...
From my church, she makes...
It's a handcrafted thing.
It's for people who doesn't know what to do in the daytime.
Your church makes it?
Why only got one? Where's all the other friends at?
As you get older, you get less. Oh, I've seen
massage
this on
gun.
TV.
Oh my gosh, I want one of those so bad. I'm gonna be using that.
Merry Christmas. Have a date night on us, the Odd Duck.
Ooh.
Wow!
Thank you.
Since we know you,
job.
like going to date
Thank
night.
you. That's very
Not the fist bump.
You're a duck, right?
Ready?
Yeah.
That's
Beauty counter lip gloss.
Ooh.
Ooh, the hand cream trio. That's what I wanted. Always need
Oh, I like those colors. Those are nice.
Yeah. A locket metal. See?
Oh my gosh.
Cutest jars.
what's in it.
Hand cream, body scrub, shower gel, and soaps.
This gift is really meaningful.
Wow, thank you.
Because you used to work there.
That's true.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Gift card. Ooh,
See, this is the
what
one that we...
Oh, Moscow Mule glasses?
Those are nice.
Thanks.
Oh, those are cool.
Oh.
Good job, Dad.
Good.
Wow, Lagavulin. Scott. Wow, thank you guys.
Do you know that brand?
Yeah, it's actually awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Real Scotland Scotch.
Scotland.
It's an Asian pillow?
Yes.
I knew it.
Now I have
Aww.
Kitty.
I do.
I want that actually.
We carried it all the way from California home for you.
Oh, that's so
Wait, is this
cute.
the, what brand is this one? Oh, I love this brand.
Volcano.
They're nice.
To the love of my life, Merry Christmas.
Wait, I have to read that loud for you.
Handwritten, right? Handwritten.
You never say that ever. It's a little ring.
Oh.
The famous.
All right, Catherine.
Ooh.
This
This is really cute.
You like it?
No, they're flowers.
Jesus.
Brendan.
What is it, please?
No, it's a sweater from Madewell.
$50 each, something?
Oh my god, it's a jewelry brand, right?
The gift receipt's in there, so let me know if, yeah.
No, no, no.
What is it?
I picked it up.
Are these earrings?
Yes.
Let me see. You've been wanting earrings.
Did you want a bigger O or no?
A bigger O.
Hey, I like this camera. It's kind of really cute. Kathy, you like him or no?
You're filming.
Yes.
Oh, she's filming? Oh, that's...
Yeah, I think that's it.
It flips up too.
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, these are bronzing face drops, like self-tanner for your face.
What is that?
Self-tanner. You know what I still love is that kids body wash thing.
Oh, do you?
Oh,
Yeah.
That's really good. I use that too.
What? Oh my gosh. I want to
Their
try
packaging
this.
is much better now.
This is gonna look so good. And
What
then
is that?
softening hand lotion. This packaging is really nice.
What is it? What is it?
Pretty.
Cute. It's a little tapestry.
If you open it, you have to roll it and put it back in.
Oh, yeah.
Thank y'all so much. This is so cute.
No
Game
cheating,
number
Catherine.
1, word search.
No cheating, Catherine. I'm not. We need a book or something.
This is what it looks
Yes.
like. By the way, there's money for prizes, so I'm gonna actually try.
Yes, 3, 2, 1, go.
Stop. Cap, how many you got?
I got 9, guys.
I got 10.
What do you have?
I got 10.
You cheated! I have 9.
Oh my god, I won!
Check her work. Check. Let me see.
Check it, bro. I'm not gonna leave this. No. She circled candy R. That's not even a word, bro. Catherine,
Shut up! Candy is circled. I don't care about the
Let
R.
me make.
Is it true?
Where was that? What's sling?
Guys,
I got 2.
What is it?
Ow! Oh my gosh! $10, baby.
Gas money.
What's the grandest prize?
Gas money. Word search round 2. I just finished, baby.
Oh, yeah.
She finished.
This doesn't take brains.
Carolyn doesn't count.
1. Oh.
It's funny. Why'd you get all the money for?
Game 3.
you hope you know your Christmas songs.
I don't think I got this one right.
Number 12, C.
You got first place again.
Oh my god.
4.
Ooh.
This is cute. Catherine won this one. Oh damn. Last game.
You wanna play, Pat?
Sure.
Okay. We are going to draw a
Oh.
Jefferson.
bonus.
Wow, you got Jefferson.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
All single